Hi students, welcome to VIJETHA Institute. Now we are going to discuss coding decoding. In coding decoding we are going to discuss number coding. We are going to discuss number coding. The first question. Let us discuss with the first question. If request is written as S2 or phi to TU, how will acid be written? Request. If we look at here on the right side, some numbers and letters are there. Let us check what are numbers here. 2, 5, 2 is there. So 2 is in second place here. So here the letter is E here. Second letter E. Here in second position 2 is there. Afterwards Q is written as R. U is coded as 5. U is coded as 5. E is coded as 2. Next S T is there. So if we observe here on the left hand side, E, U, E. What are these? They are vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And we are giving the numbering here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because E here. E is coded as 2 here. E is coded as 2. U is coded as 5. U is coded as 5. So E is 2. U is 5 means A should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what about these letters? R is coded as S here. R plus 1 S. Next Q plus 1 R. S T. Next letter. T is coded as U. So the code is going from left to right. Let us check how we can code the acid. A, C, I, D. This is the word he has given. What are the vowels here? A and I are vowels. A is coded as 1. I is coded as 3. Now what about C? C plus 1. D plus 1. From left to right. A is coded as 1. C is coded as D. C plus 1 D. I is coded as 3. D is coded as D plus 1, that is E. I, D, 3, E. This is the code. If D is coded as 4, 5, 1, 12, how is lady written as? If D is coded as 4, 5, 1, 12, 4 dash 5 dash 1 dash 12, how is lady coded in that language? So D is 4, E is 5, A is 1, L is 12. Lady means L is 12, A is 1, D is 4, Y is 25. That is 12, 1, 4, 25. Next, if A is coded as 1, M is coded as 13. A is 1, M is 13. M is 13. So here 1 is becoming 2, means 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 13 is becoming 26, means 13 to the 26. Z is 26 into 2 is 52. So the word he has given is BET, bet. 2, 5, 20. So add all this. 2 plus 5, 5 plus 20. That is 27. Now here into 2. Into 2. 27 to the 50, 54. 27 to the 54. So answer is 54. A is coded as 26. Sun equal to 27. So A is 1, but here it is 26. Means A opposite letter, that is Z. Z is 26. A opposite letter is 26. S. S opposite letter, S U N. S opposite letter, S H. U opposite letter, F. N opposite letter, M. 8, 6, 13. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 13 is 27. Cat, C A T. Cat. X. A opposite letter is Z. T opposite letter is G. X is 24 plus 26 plus 7 is equal to 57. The code of cat is 57. If GO equal to 32, GO, G opposite pair is T, O opposite pair is L, T is 20, L is 12, 20 plus 12, that is 32. So opposite pair here, S opposite pair is H, H opposite pair is S, E opposite pair is V. 8 plus 19, V is 22, 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 19, 49. Next sum is there, S O M E, sum. S opposite pair H, O opposite pair L, M opposite pair N, E opposite pair V, E opposite pair V. What is H? H is 8, E opposite pair is V. L is 12, N is 14, V is 22. So add all these. 22 plus 8, 30, 44 plus 12, 44 plus 12, 56. 56. Answer is 56. Going for the question number 6. If 80 equal to 20, A is 1, T is 20. 1 into 20 is 20. B is 2, A is 1, T is 20. 2 into 1 into 20, that is 40. C A T, cat, 3, 1, 20. 3 into 1 into 20, that is 60. So cat is equal to 60. ACNE is quoted as 372911. ACNE. Actually A is 1, C is 3, N is 14, E is 5. 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Next 14 into 2, 28 plus 1, 29. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, that is 11. So how we can code boil? Boil. This is 2, 15, 9, 12. 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4. 15 into 2, 30 plus 1, that is 31. 9 into 2 plus 1, 9 into 2, 18 plus 1, 19. 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, that is 25. 5, 31, 19, 25. If deer is coded as 12215, D E E R, deer is coded as 4, 5, 5, 18. Now 4 into 3, that is 12. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. Oh, it is not matching. So how we can code here? D E E R. These four letters are there. D is 4. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. Next 5 minus 3, that is 2. Again 5 minus 3, that is 2. 18 minus 3, that is 15. Likewise, he is asking heel. H E E L. H is 8. 8 minus 3, that is 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Again 5. 5 is there. 5 minus 3, that is 2. 12 is there. 12 minus 3, that is 9. 5 double 2, 9. If reason is coded as 5, believed is coded as 7, how is government coded in that language? Reason, number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of letters here is 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Number of letters here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of letters here is 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of letters 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So government is coded as 9. If driver is coded as 12, pedestrian equal to 20, accident equal to 16, then car equal to how much? Driver. How many letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of letters in driver is 6, but number he has given us 12, means into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Number of letters here 10. Number of letters in the word pedestrian is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. Number of letters in the word accident is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Number of letters in the word car is 3. 3 into 2, that is 6. If E equal to 5, hotel equal to 12, lamb equal to how much? E is 5, equal to 5. Let us check what is hotel. Hotel, hotel. H is 8, O is 15, T is 20, E is 5, L is 12. 8 plus 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 50, 60. Total if we add 8 plus 15 plus 20 plus 5 plus 12, that is equal to 60. 60 by 5. 5 is nothing but number of letters here. Number of letters in the word hotel. 60 by 5 means 12. Next, lamb. L A M B. Lamb he has given. What is lamb? L is 12, A is 1, M is 13, 2. If I add all this, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 13, 26, 26 plus 2, 28. Number of letters by number of letters, that is 4. 4 7 the 28, that is 7. Lamb is equal to 7. Hope you understand this class. Thank you, students.
భలే అసలు అనుకోకుండా ఇచ్చే
ఇంకా డిహెచ్ ఇచ్చేస్తుందా?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకుముందు ఎప్పుడు క్వాలిఫై వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా వాళ్ళందరికీ
బాగా నెగిటివ్.
ఓ 6500 పోస్టులు ఉంటా చాలా ఇస్తున్నారు మేడం.
మనకి బాగా నెగిటివ్ ఉంది.
ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ చేస్తున్నాడు
అందుకే లిస్ట్ వదిలి
6500 పోస్టులు అంటే చాలా
ఇది వేస్తాడు సార్ డిఎస్సి రాస్తాడు జాబ్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ ఇవ్వండి సార్ మనకు అడ్మిషన్ మనకు వస్తాయి
డిఎస్ వస్తే బాగుంది. రామయ్య వాడు వస్తాడు ఇంకా ఈరోజు సార్ ఇప్పుడన్నా ఆన్లైన్ పెట్టుకోమని మేడం చెప్పి ఈ రోజు నుంచి రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినా అయిపోతుంది.
అయిపోయిన సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇస్తున్నాడు లింక్ పెట్టేస్తున్నాడు
లింక్ పెట్టాలి
ఉంది మీరైతే జాయిన్ అయ్యండి మీకు తర్వాత లింక్ పంపిస్తాను చెప్పి
ఉంది అని చెప్పేయాలి. టకటక రికార్డులు చేయాలి. పొద్దున్న 8 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే రాత్రి 8 వరకు ఎంతసేపు అయిపోతాయి? ఒక 10-15 రోజులు అయిపోవచ్చు మేడం. సార్కి ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాం ఏమంటాడు.
వాళ్ళంతా ఆన్లైన్ మీదే ఇప్పుడు అందరూ ఆన్లైన్ నాకు ఆన్లైన్ చూపిస్తున్నాను. లేదంటే దీనికి ఎక్కువ డబ్బులు చెప్పాలి ఆన్లైన్ ఫ్రీ అని చెప్పి ఇవ్వాలి. వాళ్ళు అదే చెప్తుంది ఆన్లైన్ ఫ్రీ అని ఇస్తారు. ఈ డబ్బులు తీస్తారు నాకు ఫ్రీ తీసేస్తుంది. మనం ఫ్రీ అని పడాలి
అట్లా చెప్పొద్దు. దీంట్లోనే
మనం చెక్ చేసుకొని బయట డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్ చెక్ చేసుకొని
అడిగినప్పుడు చెప్పవచ్చు.